Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's tap on the settings right here, scroll down to system, and in here you should see restart and reset options, and in here you will have the factory data reset option. Tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will basically remove everything from the device and only keep the apps that come pre-installed with it. It will also remove things like your Google account or any kind of accounts that you have put on the device, and basically all the documents, music, images, stuff like that will be completely gone. And if there's anything that you like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on reset phone, delete all, reset, and the process will begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.